Hello?
Yes?
What are you looking for?
Oh, I was just having a peek around to see if I could find somebody to look up to.
Kinda like a role model?
Yeah, like a role model.
What's a role model?
I'm so glad you asked. Hey everybody, Mr. Saad here, and today we're talking all about role models. What they are, what it takes to be one, and where you can find one. Well, when we say the word look up to somebody, it doesn't actually mean looking up, but instead it means that we look towards somebody because the example that they're setting for us is tippy-top notch. And when we look up to somebody, we call them a role model because the example that they're setting for us is a great way to live their life in a kind, wholesome, and well-rounded way. And if you might be looking for a role model, well, here's a couple of great ways to find them. Role models are incredibly kind, and they treat people with respect and care. Role models are also honest, and they tell the truth, sometimes even when it's really hard. Role models are also hardworking, and they don't give up, even when something is difficult. Role models are also helpful, and they support others when they need it. Role models are also positive, and if you know me at all, you know how much I love positive vibes. And role models stay hopeful and encourage others even on tough days. And if you're any of those qualities, well, you might just be on your way to becoming a great role model yourself. Now, if you're looking for a great role model, look no further than your own family. And in all likelihood, your brothers, your sisters, your aunts, your uncles, grandparents, your parents, and even your cousins can be terrific role models in your life and instill in you a wonderful set of morals and values that you begin your life with. Now let's look towards your friends as role models. They could be friends in your neighborhood, friends at school, or friends on a sports team. Maybe you play on a hockey team or a soccer team, and you've got a friend that's really good, but doesn't get upset when you lose and never rubs it in the other team's face when you win. That's what being a great role model is all about. Maybe you've got some great adults in your life that are also amazing role models. Maybe a terrific teacher here and there too. I work with teachers each and every day that are a wonderful role model to me and are some of the best friends anybody could ask for. But what about people I've never met? Could they be a role model? Well, they most definitely can. Athletes, public figures, musicians, celebrities, well, these are all great examples of role models. There's a principal that doesn't work for the same school board as me. He doesn't even live in the same country as me. His name is Principal Lamb, and not only does he show respect for his students, but for his teachers as well, and runs his school in a fair and balanced way that ensures fun for everybody who passes through the doors. And again, just because I've never met him doesn't mean I don't look up to him as a role model. And now, here's a cool part about role models, because you can be one too. Start with small gestures like holding the door open for somebody or saying thank you when somebody is helpful. Show bravery when somebody is being unkind to somebody else or being treated unfairly. You can show kindness as well for including somebody who might be feeling left out. Being a role model isn't about being perfect. It's about trying your best and doing your best to inspire others at the same time. And when you act with kindness, honesty, and respect, well, people will look up to you and you'll be a role model without even trying. So who will you inspire today by being a great role model? Drop it into the comments below. And a great big thank you to an amazing group of role models that inspired me to make this video today, Mrs. Tweisel's grade 5 class. Thank you for believing in me. And thanks to you for tuning in today. We'll catch you next time, Mr. Saad. Role models in your life. Snow plow, a lot of snow.